Hi guys, good morning. Maaga kaming gumising today and nag-usap-usap kami. We not decided kung saan kami pupunta today, but after tapos namin pakainin yung cat, chicken, duck, dog, bird, so we decide na pumunta sa isang malamig na lugar. So bago natin tapusin ang January na to, another road trip tayo, pang-apat na road trip for this January. Punta tayo sa malamig na lugar para magkape. Doon na rin tayo mag-breakfast at mag-lunch. Samahan nyo kami guys. We enjoy the ride. Join me the ride. Tapos tingnan natin yung malalamig na lugar na yon. It's a challenge for us. Kasi hindi kami nakapagdala ng jacket. But of course, enjoy na lang natin yung place. I update you guys pagdating na namin doon. So that's all. Thank you. God bless everyone. Enjoy life because life is precious and beautiful. God bless you all.